Hello students, in our last video we were started with the infra class 2, that is Eutheria, the classification of class Mammalia. Okay, uh, in our last video we have already completed the introduction of Eutherians, then the classification, the order 1 Insectivora, order 2 Chiroptera, order 3 Dermoptera, order 4 Edentata, and order 5 is Polydota. Okay, under the class order Insectivora, example is mole, whereas the order 2, that is Chiroptera, is the true mammal, true fly mammals, or flying mammals are referred to as the true flying mammals, because I have not mentioned this point, that is in this Chiroptera the four limbs have been modified, the bones of the four limbs have been become the elongated, except one bone, that is a pollex. Pollex refers to the innermost digit of the limb. Okay, for example thumb, that is thumb, not for example, it is thumb. Okay, and this bones is supported by a membrane that will runs from the between the forelimbs and the hind limbs. Okay, and this membrane is called as a patagium. So due to this patagium, presence of patagium, they can be fly at a lower speed also, they can take a high speed, high lift at a lower speed. Okay, this is about the Chiroptera. Then we have done the Dermoptera, that includes the lemur, the flying lemurs. Okay, then order 4 is Edentata. uh, the example is 9-banded armadillo. Okay, that is Desprus. Then 5, order 5, like they will include a scaly mammals, that is the scales, the body is covered by a scales, and the fur is reduced to a certain portion part of the scales, like it will be found at the in between the scales few hairs. For example, Indian pangolin. In Indian pangolin, what happened, they have completely teeth are completely absent. Okay, then the next order, the most important order is, or next order of the infra order Eutheria, is the primates. Primates are referred to as the first rank. The first rank, why primates are called as the first rank? Because primitive, they forms a primitive mammals with a well developed brain. Okay, that is cerebrum is a large and highly convoluted in a primates. Okay, that's why they are referred to as a first rank holder, like primates first. Okay, um, in this they will be having a 5 digits of hand and a foot with the flat nails, then thumb and the great toe, that is thumb and the first toe are shorter and opposable for grasping. Okay, the eyes are directed forward and surrounded by a bony ring. Then the femur has no third trochanter, and the mode of locomotion is by walking, that is the plantigrade. The plantigrade type of locomotion is seen, in which plantigrade means what, the walking on the help of the sole, with the heels, in which the heels touches the ground, for example humans. Okay, then they will be having a discoidal placenta or metadiscoidal or hemochorial type of placenta. And this order is further divided into 3 suborders: Lemuroideae, Therissoideae, and Anthropoideae. The Anthropoideae is further subdivided into infraorder Platyrrhina and Catarrhina. Okay, this is about the order primates, but the term primates is actually carries with the implication that the animals in this group are not only the nearest to the man, but they are also in some sense the first or the most completely developed members of the animal world, or phylum Animalia. Okay, but these are not so specialized. The other members except the Homo sapiens, the mammals, men, the other members of this order primates will not show that much specialized. Okay, but they are somewhat close to. The primates have retained many primitive and generalized eutherian characters, and they are primarily arboreal. First, they were primarily arboreal. Hence, after the few times, like after the years ago, they returned to the land as a secondary condition. They are omnivorous in habit, the primates. Okay. The next one is rodent class, order Rodentia. Rodo means gnaw, that is, they are usually a small gnawing mammals. They will be having incisors, single pair of incisors, then long chisel like rootless and persistently growing with the animal. This incisors with the single pair, it is long chestless like without the root, and it will be persistently growing with the animal. Okay. They confine chiefly to the anterior end of the mouth, and canines are entirely absent in the rodentia. The space known as the diastema is present between the incisors and molars, that is the place for the canine. The diastema is the space which is formed, or gap which is formed between the two teeth. Hence, the canine are entirely absent in the rodentia. There is dientia is formed, diastema is present. Okay, that is the space for the canine in between the incisors and the molar. The examples which are included in this form is the squirrels, house rat, mouse, guinea pigs are the example of rodentia. The next order is Logomorpha. The order Logomorpha, logo means hair, morph means form. So they are hair-like form. Okay, they will be having two pairs of incisors that are present in the upper jaw. First pair is large and with the chisel-like, and found in front of smaller second pair. Okay. They will be having in this they are cursorial. They are cursorial. Cursorial means digging, burrowing animal. Okay, so the tibia is modified. That is, tibia and fibula is fused together. Cursorial plus they will be showing fossorial also. Running plus burrowing type of adaptations. Heads. Okay, so here tibia is fused with the fibula. Sole of a feet is hairy, and toes will bear claws. Okay, and in this, testes are always external in the scrotum. So the testes are placed in the scrotum, that is placed outside the body. Okay. The examples which includes in Logomorpha is rabbits, pica, hare. Okay, are the example of order Logomorpha. With this, we for for today's lecture, we have completed this up to order 8, that is Logomorpha. The infra class Eutheria. Okay, thank you, students.